Welcome to another Happy Japan USA video. Today we're taking a look at the HCH PLUS 7 needle industrial embroidery machine with a 7-year warranty, 100% made in Japan. Does it come with a cap drive? Yes, the machine can do caps. 290-degree rotation, 2.6 inches height on the front of the cap. That means that once you set up the cap on the cap driver, you don't need to be taking out the cap and putting it back on because the machine auto rotates, so you'll be able to do the sides, not only the front. When doing flat embroidery, you could do 12 by 12 inches. Flat embroidery means shirts, means jackets, it means hoodies. If you want to do leather, you could do leather on a Happy. It runs at 1,000 stitches per minute when doing flat embroidery, 850 when doing caps. Do you get training? Yes, you get training with every purchase of a Happy embroidery machine when you purchase from HappyJapan USA. That means that we will go train you either at your place of business or you could get trained here in Brea, in Orange County, California. The machine comes with hoops, 4.7 inch, 5.5 inch, 7 inch, and the large 12 by 12, and 2 cap hoops as well. So you could be running your machine and you're always either setting up your next garment or your next cap. So that is very important. The machine comes with all the features, same motor as the 12 and 15 needle. So it has a very big motor, almost 3 times as big as the competition. You get the same functions, same panel and same warranty. So you get the auto adjust, you get the layouts, you get the lettering, you get the safe stitch, you get Happy Next, which allows you to be setting up your designs while the machine is running. You get the USB ports for easy loading of DST files. You get LAN ports if you want to connect your machine to a computer. It is optional. You don't need a computer to run a Happy machine. If you need more info, call us at 800-675-2704 or send us an email at happyjapanusa.com. See you soon.